Hey, how's it going? Today, we're going to go over how to draw Godzilla and the Mosasaur from Jurassic World as one character. So let's get into it right now. Okay, let's go over the mixture of Godzilla and the Mosasaur, all right? Let's do this. All right. First thing I'm going to do right here, I'm going to start with the front of Godzilla's snout. Pulling back over here. And so one of the biggest differences, right, huge difference, is that Godzilla's snout's really short in comparison to the rest of his body. So pull up over here. We're going to start early. Curve back. And kind of aim up here a little bit. I'm going to have him swimming kind of down in that Mosasaur pose. Line down over here for kind of the open mouth. Back over there. Under here. Line underneath. Back over here, up. Let's go over here on this side. Nostril. Line up. Curve down. And we have the eye right there. Kind of has. Okay, so it looks funny without this, but we're going to put in the teeth. Just little triangle shapes. There we go. And let's put in the back side of those teeth as well right there. See, you see the back side and fill it in. It's going to give it a little bit more depth, right? It's going to give it a little bit more detail. Go check out the free downloads, by the way. There's a lot of cool free downloads. Take a look. Hopefully you do. It's really cool. And let's put the eye over here. He's looking back. Okay. Let's go here to under the neck. Pulling back. And here's a big difference. Here's the Mosasaur part. Line over here. And we're going to draw like a fin on this side. Line in. Line here. Curve up right there. And we got to add, okay, let's say this is the belly part. So we're going to draw a curve over here. And I'm going to kind of keep it going. And there's going to be spikes along here, which we're going to have to fill in. So right here, it's going to be a small spike, another one, another pyramid. And I want these to look like mountains. Something like that. And they're going to be kind of along the back here, right? So there's a little bit of, it's going to lie across there. So let's go over here now. Line over here. So we're kind of layering one behind the other. Curve around here. And let's kind of go over here to the back of, I guess fin down right there. Curve down here. Let's go over here on this side. Draw one going on that side. Curve. Curve. Got the dorsal plates here. Continuing to move right there. And we're going to give him a Mosasaur style tail. So let's say something like that. And the top one's going to be a little bit shorter, a little bit spikier. Cool. So we can add a couple of more, plates right here at the top, the dorsal plates. So remember, the plates are kind of all over the place, so you don't want to have to pile them up too much. But just as much as you seem appropriate to, right? Because when you do this, it's going to be, pretty... There you go. Just kind of get that impression in there that we need a bunch. Like I said, the placement and just kind of thinking along the back, and it's peaking there, very similar to, Godzilla in general. Let's go over here now for the Godzilla gills, because, legendary version of Godzilla has gills. Line here, line here. don't forget to check out my Gumroad. There's a lot of cool stuff on my Gumroad. There's a lot of free things you can download, including how to draw Godzilla's head. There's sheets that you can literally download. It's completely free. So go check that out right now. Curve line over here. So at this point now I'm looking into texture. I'm like, okay, what textures are going to be going along? And that's kind of a lot of it too. So right here, maybe a line right there along the neck. Let's put some dark right here below the neck over here. It's going to be some value. We can draw these little half curves along here. Line over here, line over here. There we go. And line, oh, we'll put like a line over here for kind of that, you know, shading color, you know, right? Like there's a color change from the top to the bottom of the belly. All right, let's go in here and add some texture into, by the way, don't forget to hit the like button if you like these kind of, you know, mixture drawings, because I think you guys are the ones that give me the ideas. So thank you guys. But definitely share the video if you can, or at least give it a like. It definitely helps the algorithm. The channel is growing very rapidly again, so I'm very happy. But you know, there's no but. Sorry, but you guys are really cool for helping out. Everybody's been super cool, and everybody in the comments has been nice. I reply to every comment, so I'm adding a little bit more spikes here, just to kind of, so you kind of look at it. So essentially, this is kind of like past that phase where I'm like, okay, now everything is small details, right? Now it's just like, all right, curve, curve, curve. And I'm trying to draw everything detail-wise is going to be small little lines. Small, you know, these lines are meant to, you know, kind of show the form a little bit more, like revealing a little bit more to the viewer. If you want, you can even do this. It's funny if we do this. Have the atomic breath coming out here. That'd be fun. It's a cool detail. It might be like a little story, like how would he, maybe Godzilla evolved this way, right? Maybe he, you know, changed over time. There we go. All right, that's pretty much it. I want you to stick around though. We're gonna start another lesson, okay? We're gonna stick around, we're gonna do another lesson, so I want you to stay here right now. We're gonna go over it right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.